Dr. Lily Thompson adjusted her glasses, her eyes scanning the horizon. The Coca-Cola Geyser Basin was unlike anything she had ever imagined. "I can't believe we're actually here," she murmured, her voice tinged with awe. Max, a young and eager geologist with an unruly mop of hair, grinned beside her. "I've read about this place, but seeing it is something else entirely," he replied, his eyes reflecting the golden light of the setting sun. Dr. Lily Thompson and Max navigated through the terrain, careful not to slip on the sticky ground. "Watch your step," she cautioned, as they approached a particularly active geyser. "Do you think the legends are true?" Max asked, his voice a mixture of skepticism and intrigue. "About the Fountain of Youth?" Dr. Lily Thompson laughed softly. "Who knows? But I do know this place is a marvel of nature." Max pointed excitedly. "Look at that. It's incredible." Dr. Lily Thompson nodded, her heart pounding with excitement. "This is why we explore," she said, her voice barely audible over the geyser's roar. As they watched, the geyser subsided, leaving behind a pool of sparkling cola. It was both a scientific wonder and a testament to the planet's endless surprises. Dr. Lily Thompson sat on a sugar-coated rock, her mind racing with possibilities. "What do you think this means for us, for science?" she asked softly. Max joined her, gazing at the celestial display. "It means there's always more to discover. And maybe, just maybe, some myths hold a grain of truth," he replied, a smile playing on his lips. They sat in comfortable silence, the geysers whispering their timeless secrets into the night. Morning routine. Brooke stretched her arms wide as she stepped onto the porch, the sun warming her face. Her faithful dog, Max, wagged his tail excitedly beside her, eager for their morning walk. "Ready for our adventure, Max?" she asked with a smile. Park exploration. Brooke and Max strolled through the park, Max sniffing every intriguing scent along the way. The air was filled with laughter and the distant sound of a fountain. "What do you think, Max? Should we head to the pond?" Brooke asked, as Max barked in agreement. Unexpected discovery. Brooke noticed a narrow path she had never seen before. Curiosity sparked in her eyes, and she turned to Max. "Shall we see where this leads?" she proposed. Max wagged his tail furiously, pulling her towards the path. Secret garden. Brooke gasped at the sight of the hidden garden, a secret haven amidst the bustling park. Max barked happily, bounding through the flowers. "This is our little secret now, Max," she whispered, sitting on the bench and taking in the tranquility. Reflection. Brooke watched the colors of the sunset blend across the sky, Max resting his head on her lap. "What an adventure today has been," she mused, feeling grateful for Max's companionship and the day's unexpected surprise. Homeward bound. As they walked back, Brooke felt a sense of contentment. Max trotted beside her, his energy finally spent. "Let's come back tomorrow, buddy," she said, already looking forward to their next adventure.